There are many words we usually use as noun. For example, house. Can we think of using this word as verb as well? Like house, there are many other words we usually use as noun. In this video, we will see how we can use these noun words as verb as well. I'm going to talk about 10 words which we usually use as noun, and we will see how we can use them as verb. Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learning for Development. Our first word is house. When we use house as noun, it means a living place. I have bought a new house. I'm living in this house. When we use house as verb, it refers to provide shelter or to store something somewhere. For example, we have an extra room to house our guests, or I will house all my documents on an external hard drive. Or it can be, this shed can house 20 cows. Our next word is dress. When we use dress as noun, it refers to clothes. I have bought some new dress. But when we use the word dress as verb, it refers to put clothes on. For example, I dress my child, or she can dress quite quickly. Our next word is color. Color means color, red, blue, white. For example, the color of my shirt is black. And when we use the word color as verb, it means to put color. For example, I'll color my house, or I'm coloring my picture. Our next word is head. It's a part of our body and it's noun. Head can also refer to the main person or the leader. Still, it's a noun. For example, I have got a round head. She is the head of the family. And when we use the word head as verb, it refers to lead. She is heading her family after her husband's death. Or I'm heading a team. Our next word is place. It can refer to any area, position. For example, Bandarban is a nice place. Or she has got a nice place in her office. And when we use the word place as verb, it refers to putting something or somebody in a particular place. For example, I placed her in a new position. Place the table at the middle of the room. Mind. We usually use this word as noun and it refers to ability to think. We all have our minds. And when we use the word mind as verb, it can refer to different meanings. For example, if we want to mean to be upset or annoyed, we can say don't mind, or never mind, or I don't mind. We can also warn some people by using the word mind as verb. For example, mind your language. It can also refer to be willing, like I don't mind going there, I don't mind doing this work. Water. Water means water, we drink water. And when we are saying we drink water, here water is used as noun. And when we use water as verb, it means to water something. I'm watering my plants. Our next word is experience, not experience. And when we use this word as noun, it refers to our knowledge and skill that we gain through doing something. For example, I have got some experience in this matter. And when we use the word experience as verb, it refers to have a particular situation happens to us. For example, I experienced a different life in a foreign land. Or I'm experiencing something very different in my new job. Pen. Pen means pen, we write with pen. I have bought a new pen. And when we use pen as verb, it refers to write something. For example, she penned a bestseller novel. Or for the last 20 years, I penned my diary. And our last word is Google. We use it as a noun and that refers to the company or the search engine. For example, Google is the most popular search engine, or she works for Google. And when we use the word Google as verb, it refers to searching something on Google. If you don't know it, Google it. Or would you please Google this word for me? Viewers, I hope this video will be useful for you. And if it is so, please don't forget to like and share. And please subscribe my channel if it is not done already. And if it is done already, thank you very much. And thank you very much for watching. Take care.